Welcome to Analytik Jena's video tutorial series on combustion elemental analysis of edible oils and fats. You're watching the third episode, giving insights on device configuration. Make sure to check out the other episodes as well on our Analytik Jena YouTube channel.
For analysis of the prepared samples and standards, we will use a multi-elemental analyzer. It allows the analysis of chlorine and sulfur, both important quality markers in the analysis of edible oil and other refinery products. The analysis of fatty acids or comparable matrices with complex structure requires a well-thought-out sample supply strategy. Otherwise, these samples cannot be combusted completely and form residues. The analyzer offers both vertical and horizontal operation. For the analysis of oils, only the horizontal mode can be used. Here the oil or dilution is injected into quartz sample boats, which are transferred by a boat inlet system into the combustion zone. It is important to adapt this process to the specific needs of each sample matrix and sample quantity. Before the analysis, also the hardware has to be prepared. A sufficient warm-up phase to ensure optimum performance of all involved components is required. Also, the analyzer should be maintained regularly to stay in good conditions to deliver correct results. For the determination of chlorine contents, microcolorimetric titration is used. For the other elements, optical detection principles like UV fluorescence for sulfur are applied. Especially in chlorine analysis, ultra-low detection limits and high precision can only be reached if the titration and drying system is properly maintained, dry and clean. The quantitative transfer of the formed HCl gas is of crucial importance. Important preconditions for this are efficient drying and a prevention of adsorption and condensation losses. Only this way reliable analysis results can be gained, especially in the ultra-trace range. The level of the electrolyte should be checked regularly. When using a glacial acid-based high-capacity electrolyte, a daily replacement of the electrolyte is not required.